here we are today at 1-2 Wrap. They are going to wrap this car or put stickers on it. It will not be a full complete wrap. The RevRun rally is going to start on the 27th of July until the 29th of July. It will be a very cool rally again. It's the 5th edition. It's the first time for me. Yeah, and I will film everything to show you guys how the rally is and film all the adventures that we will have. The car looks like this right now. I think in about 1 hour, 1.5 hours, it will look quite different because there will be a lot of stickers on the car.
When I move in the streets, there's pain. I'll be on my own 2 feet again, but too many people feel that strain. With a cold winter rolling in, homeless man roll-ups in the tin, single mum screw face in a bag, people living their life from a bag.
This is just like going to the hairdresser. First you get a nice wash, nice clean, and after that the magic happens.
When I move through the streets, there's love. When that sun shines down from above, people smile when they walk their path. Happy to meet with those that cross it. Let's go pub and just have a laugh. Forget the things in life that's dark. Let's take the kids to the park for a picnic. Won't trade this life for anything in it. And yeah, I'm getting my money, but you know it's never enough. I can't complain. Got a decent hand and I play. Got 2 decent hands and blood in my veins. Even when I'm on top, spare thought for those at the bottom. Cause anytime I could drop.
All cars that will participate with the RevRun rally, all cars will have the same livery with the stickers. It has to be very precise. So at least other people will know that we belong together. It looks like he's done this before. You've done this before, right?
Yeah, sometimes.
I got this. Now I'm a little bit afraid to do the big one, so I will let the professionals do it.
Zal je altijd zien, hè?
Under pressure. Oh wow, this looks really good. Okay, I want to do one big sticker. Let's do this. I'm a bit scared. Now the only reason I'm doing this is because I'm in a hurry. Otherwise, of course, I would let them do it. But yeah, I just want to help out. Let's see the result. This is the last sticker. Small adjustments.
Het valt.
Has to be perfect, of course. Now this is it. The car is done. The stickers are on the car. I did help a bit, but only with the easy stickers, like this. That's quite easy, but the difficult ones, the bigger ones, I didn't want to do because it's quite a difficult game, you know, wrapping a car, putting stickers on a car in a correct way, especially when things are not very straight, like bumpers or windshields. 1-2 Wrap, thank you very much. Amazing job. I'm very glad with the result. It looks terrific, looks really sporty as well. I could just go on track like this. Well, see you guys at the RevRun rally. Bye bye.